Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Hyundai Azera Limited. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai is a steal with less than 9,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.